Hello YouTube, this is Dr. Jada Be Creative, and I am here with a haul, primarily graphic 45, and my friend allowed me to videotape her haul just so you can see the SKUs and stuff since we were out together shopping. She always feels that if I go with her, she has better chance because she doesn't go that often, but when she goes, unfortunately, I help her score. She doesn't know how to hunt for stuff like I do. I know how people Tuesday morning put that stuff together. So anyway, I helped her find it. So she was looking for some graphic 45 because she saw some of my stuff on Instagram. So she wanted that I posted that was in the store, so she wanted to go get some. And so she got quite a few items, and I just got a couple pads in here, but I'll show you what I got. The rest of it is pretty much all her. So, but anyway, I figured I showed you a video so you can see the SKU numbers, because I know graphic 45, a lot of people like their stuff, so you can search your TM. This first paper pad, I already have this one, but this one is called what's the name of this one? Cityscapes. And this one is $2.99 and it's 1918104. I give you the SKU number because you can go online. I mean, call the 1-800 number and you can put your zip code in and they'll let you know. But that SKU number is in your area. So basically some cityscape scenes. And along with that one is a paper pad. Where is it at? Thought I had them in order, of course, you know. Here it is. I don't. This is one of the 12 by 12, so it's $4.99, and this one again goes with the Cityscapes collection, 1918098. So you can see like a scene of the city. Actually, you know, I said that wrong. This is my paper pad. These two are mine. I forgot. This one's mine because I had this stamp set. And that's why I got it. So this is like the venture begins. So this is part of Italy, Denmark, and France. So just some scenes, Berlin, New York, just different stuff around of it, Hong Kong. Just talks about different city scenes. And that is the flip side, just red pinstripe. All right, let me move along because it's gonna be a lot. She got this on the paper house, $4.99. This pretty pad is 1888712. You've seen this in Tuesday, Hobby Lobby, excuse me, because this is their brand, and it's called Field Study. Just about the monarchs, the butterflies. It's a nice, earthy, natural tone. That wasn't graphic 45. Neither are these next two. This one's authentic, $5.99, and this is a Seafarer collection. Is 1926690. This one's mine. I just had to get it. It was masculine and it was nautical. My brothers had been, both my brothers military. My dad was military. Brother-in-law was military. So not a family member's best friend was military. So different branches, but I'm just saying. I just thought it was nice. Even though this is just nautical, but it still makes me think of the military. But it's so pretty. So it says, you can never cross the ocean unless you have the courage to lose sight of the shore. And this one, authentic, another one, $5.99, 1926680. I got it. I just like the masculinity. I am a book lover. I'm a bibliophile. So just seeing books, that was just like, wow. Even though I don't think I read one of these books. But anyway, so it's just very masculine, the stickers and the papers and stuff, and sometimes it's very hard. You may find masculine as in boy, but not masculine as in manly man. So anyway, I just thought it was kind of nice. So just to have that in my stash, just in case I need to make something. And of course, it's, the era is dated, you know, like the 20s or something, whatever. All right, so then she got the Anna Griffin. I already had this one. This one is the Beautiful Birds paper set she got, and this one is $5.99, 1891942. And pretty much, I'm not gonna open this pad up, but this is hers. It's not open, that's what it is. And then, okay, I got this one. This is cute. This is $2.99 and 25 pack, and this was by American Crafts, pink paisley. And it's just cute stuff. When I woke up like this, I just want to be where you are. Note to self, relax, hooray. It's today. She has that certain oh my gosh, can I not talk? Je ne sais quoi. You are my bright side, messy bun, and getting things done. If you think my hands are full, you should see my heart. Do all things with love. Eat dessert first. Have fun. So worth it. I don't know what's under there. Now is the new later. Something my weekend is booked. Jeans, t-shirts, top note. You're my bright side. Enjoy the little things. I just thought those sayings were absolutely cute. And to make these into goodie bags, treat bags, stuff like that, I don't know. That's what my thought was. I had to get that for $2.99. And if I didn't say the SKU is 1902880. And I don't think I said the SKU on the Anna Griffin paper. I don't think I did, but it was $5.99, and it's on Anna Griffin's paper is 1891942. Just in case I forgot. All right, so this is some more of her graphic 45. So this is the sticker for the Bon Appetit, and that was 99 cents. And I mean 199, excuse me. 1911267. Here's some of the paper pads that go with it that she got. They had a ton. I mean, maybe about 8 or 9 different, seriously, of the craft Parisian collection. There were a ton of them because we went several Tuesday morning and they had so many. Everyone had a different one, and she had already got some of these, so she didn't go back and get any more. But anyway, so this is just the ladies. Green is the predominant color, greenish blue, and then on the back, the menu type thing, and it's $4.99. It is 1918145. So if you're looking for that collection, they definitely have a lot to go with that collection. Here's another one that she got, and like I said, she can cook her butt off. She can make an awesome pound cake. This is 1918144, $4.99. But they had so many more designs, but she didn't want to go take stuff back and all that stuff, so that's what she kept. And along with that, let me go ahead and show. This was the ephemera pack, 4x6 and 3x4 journaling cards. She got $1.99 to go along with that one, and that one is 1911268. So that's the pack right there. She likes making mini albums and sewing. Her daughter just got her the new craft mark. I mean the craft. What am I talking about? I need to go eat breakfast. She just got the new Cricut. So these are the two cardboard ones. I think they're different. Okay, one is stickers and one is cardboard. Okay, the sticker one is 99 cents. Okay. So that's a two-sided sticker set that goes along with the same paper pad. So you can get some nice complete collections. So this one is 1918158 to go along with that. So she should be able to make a mini album. And then the chipboard pieces was $199, 1911265. So again, this is the what is it? The Parisian Cafe Parisian. And I think she got the stamps. Oh, she got stamps to go with it. Oops. Okay. I know I had the stamps to go with it. I thought she got them too. All right, so then she got the, what's the name of this one? Safari. Yeah. Safari Adventure, $4.99, 1918141. So I can take one of these loose because guess what? She brought two and she brought me one. She wasn't expecting, driving her around. And I'll show you what else she brought me. So, of course they're double-sided. And you know, Graphic 45 always has templates up the top and they're covered that you can use. So 2 pairs of those, one for her and one was for me. And she brought me this. I thought it was nice too. So this is one of the paper collections that goes with it, and it's $4.99. Safari Adventure, that's what it's called. Creatures Great and Small. So that's the name of this one. And it is 1918123. Nice and colorful. That's the only one I saw. They do have Under the Sea collection. I got the name of the actual name of that one. But they had that one too. Then she both got us each one of these chipboards, and they're the same, $1.99, and it's 1911260 that goes with Safari. Oh, I'm dropping stuff over here. Alright, so 2 stamp sets. They are $3.99 each. This is 1907919. Actually, both they had the same number. So this one goes with the racetrack set. I forgot the name of the sets, but anyway, that's the one with the racetrack set, the Derby, and it says off the rack. And they have actually the ephemera packs with these. I've seen that in the store too for $1.99 if you're looking for that. So they have the ephemera pack just like they have to go along with this, and they have some 12x12s to go along with that. And this is My Fair Lady. Don't think I saw any of those paper pads to go along with that one. All right, so she got a couple of some stories. I mean, Lord Whitlock papers. This is the Love Story Echo Park, and this is 1902622 for $5.99. Double-sided, and that's sticker collection. And then the Parisian one. What's the name of this one? Be Mine, Echo Park, and it is 1902623. Some more pink and black. Little Paris theme. And then the last pack she got, which for some reason this looks for me. I think I must have had this, but I think I got it when I got it on clearance for like $1. But this is the mason jar. We remember keepers. But I'm surprised it's back in the store at the regular price. But I'm pretty sure, maybe I just have this in a different pad, but for some reason this whole paper looks so familiar. But this is 1853536, so she got that for $1.99. And then the last thing, I got this. This was the typecast. So you can make your little wax seals and stamp set. Right here is $4.99, 3-piece. This has got a little butterfly seal. And it is 1931127. Cool. So that is a lot of graphic 45. She scored. I did too, because she got me some stuff for free. Haha. But I'm just saying, like, that was a lot of graphic 45. Anyway, they have a ton of graphic 45 right now. Of course, by the time this video up, I don't know if it's still in there, because, you know, they go through them quick. Some pads don't go as fast as others, and some do. So anyway, thanks for liking and subscribing and watching and commenting. And I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.